Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope all of you are doing great and very fantastic. So, like every day, today I want to talk about a very important topic, which is how to improve your spoken English. So, let's start the video. So, firstly, if you want to be a fluent speaker in English, then you have to do three things. First thing is you have to listen carefully, which means if you want to be a fluent speaker in English like a foreigner, then you must listen English very carefully, because listening helps you to pronounce word correctly, right? So pronunciation is very important if you want to be a English speaker. So number first is listening English very carefully. So number two is thinking English, which means if you want to be a spoken English speaker, then you must think in English. Whatever you think, you have to think it in English, because thinking English, everything will increase your English vocabulary, English memorizing part, which is very necessary to speak in English. So number two is very important, which is thinking English. And final thing is practice with yourself, which means if you want to be a fluent speaker in English, then you have to practice with yourself daily. Practice makes a man perfect, we know that, but we don't practice every day. So that's why we actually don't say something in English. So if we want to be a English speaker like a foreigner, then we must practice English every day with others or with your friends, with yourself, right? Just open your smartphone's camera and say something for 5 or 10 minutes. It doesn't matter. Just practice, right? Practice must important, because consistency, if you don't practice every day, then you lose your consistency. So that's why you have to practice every day, so that you can gain your consistency to speak in English. So I hope these three steps, if you follow, then after 1 or 2 months you will see your improvements, I assure you, right? So I hope this video enjoyed, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. Assalamu alaikum.